Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph. This channel is all about teaching web development from scratch. If you are new to coding, don't worry, I've got you covered. And in this channel, what we're basically going to be learning is how to build websites, most importantly, how to solve problems, because of recent, I discovered that being a software engineer is not just about the technologies, it's about what you want to build with the technologies. That's what matters. But you can't build if you don't even have the basic knowledge of web development. Problem solving will come naturally. So, speaking on the technologies, we have the front end technologies, we have the back end technologies also. So, the front end technologies are HTML, which is the hypertext markup language, CSS, which is the cascading style sheet, and we have JavaScript, which is used for interactivity. This brings the question, what is front end? Well, front end is basically what we can see on a website, what we can interact with is everything you see on your web page. Whatever you can see is your front end. You have in front end, we have the colors, we have the buttons, we have a lot. We have the input field. Those are your front end. While we have the back end. The back end are basically what we can see. They run on the server side. But I won't just call it what we can see. I call it the brain. The brain of the system, the brain of the website you're interacting with. Those are the parts you can't see. But that's what makes you, when you click a button, when you want to submit a form, that's what makes the system be able to get your details. Those are the back end. But let's take this simple example. Imagine you go to a restaurant, then you order a food, you have the waiter comes to you to serve you the food, and you make your order. The waiter goes in to collect the food. What processes the food is the back end. What you don't see is the back end. So in this channel, I'll be taking you guys on the journey of how to, gain your stack on front end and also on back end. Now, speaking of back end technologies, we have a lot of them actually, but I'm talking about the main ones as beginners that you can get along with. Other programming language will come easily, and also not to overwhelm yourselves. So we have Python, and Python itself is just the basics. In Python, we use frameworks like Django and Flask to build websites. That's used for the server side. We have JavaScript too, which is Node.js, Express.js. We also have C, we have Golang, we have Rust. Those are used for building powerful, or let's say heavy websites, heavy backend for websites. So in the course of this channel, we'll keep it simple. We also have frameworks for front end. We have React, we have Vue, we have Angular, we have Svelte, and a lot of them. We have framework for CSS too, which is the Bootstrap, and a lot of them actually. So I'll be giving you guys a roadmap. We'll be learning from scratch. Like I said, we'll have our part of how we learn. We'll learn step by step. We'll learn from HTML to CSS to JavaScript. We'll learn the frameworks. We'll learn how to make things easier for ourselves. But firstly, we have to get the basics. And as this channel implies, beginners dev is for total beginners. So if you're just starting out coding and you made this video at the right time, welcome to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, stay tuned to this channel, and I'll be taking you guys. Once again, my name is Joseph. Bye.